channel Curiosity, where curiosity meets lifestyle. Today I'll be unboxing the Mi 10T Lite 5G. So let's begin. So let's unwrap the box and see what's inside. So this is the box. So this is the phone by Xiaomi. And so obviously this is the phone. And inside, first you get a normal ordinary protective case alongside a warranty card and some user guides. So this is the phone, and it's the Mi 10T Lite 5G enabled, and it has a 64 MP AI quad camera alongside a 120Hz adaptive sync display with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor and a 4820 mAh type battery, also with a 33 watt fast charging. So we'll have a look at the phone later, but first let's see what's inside the box. So you have a USB-C cable, and this is a 33 watts fast charger. So let's put this aside and have a closer look at the phone. So this is the phone. So the color that I have is rose gold beige, but you can also get it in Atlantic blue and pearl grey. So the phone that I have is 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, but you can also get another variant which is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. We get a Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor which speeds to 2.2 GHz. We also get a 6.67-inch display and 120Hz refresh rate. You also get a Gorilla Glass screen. So on the back it has a quad camera, and we also get a new feature which is a dual video which uses the front and back camera simultaneously. We also get smart eye protection features. So on this side we have the power button and the volume control, and on this side we have the SIM slot. So on the bottom we have the audio jack, the charging port and the speaker, and this is the top. Okay, so let's turn it on. It's just turning on. Wow, the display looks amazing. It's really clear. Just powering on. It says 5G. Wow, it's really clear, very bright. Amazing. So once the setup is complete, the home screen looks like this, and the display is really amazing and really responsive. So that's it. So guys, that was the unboxing of the Mi 10T Lite 5G. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also about which phone I should review next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.